Welcome back to Katie Quiz, brought to you by GBU Life. It is now time to speed things up in the Katie Quiz Speed Round. In this round, we have 10 questions prepared for each team. 10 points is awarded for correct answers. There's no deductions in this round for an incorrect answer given. And all three teams will be competing in the same category, which today is biology. Up first will be our team from Shady Side Academy. And Shady Side, we are going to start your 60-second clock in 3, 2, 1. How many cells does a bacterium have?
1.
A special personal sensitivity to a particular substance is called what?
Allergy.
Skin is the largest organ of your body. What are the tiny openings called?
Pores.
Do lungs act as pumps, bellows, pistons, or fans?
All of them.
No. The basic body of the anthrozoan is?
Please repeat the question, please.
The basic body form of an anthrozoan is?
Exoskeleton.
No. What is the natural compound present in green plants that gives them their color?
Chlorophyll.
What is the one important function for which most amphibians return to water?
Laying eggs.
Is an angiogram an X-ray of the heart, ribs, pelvis, or blood vessels?
Blood vessels.
All cellular metabolism is controlled by organic catalysts, which are called... And time is up. With that, you were able to get 6 correct. That takes your score up to 285 after having those 60 points added to your total. Very nicely done, Shady Side Academy. Next up, and still competing in the category of biology, is our team from North Allegheny High School. In North Allegheny, your 60-second clock begins in 3, 2, 1. What's the general term for all chemical substances produced by the endocrine glands?
Hormones.
What secretes epinephrine?
Pituitary gland.
No. Which one-celled creature's name means first animal?
Protozoan.
What are the motor fibers of nerve cells?
Cilia.
No. Plasmosis occurs when plant cells shrink due to loss of what? Plasmolysis occurs when plant cells shrink because of the loss of what?
Water.
What's the color of the nervous tissue that forms in the inner part of the spinal cord and the outer part of the brain?
Purple.
No. When biceps contract, time is up. North Allegheny, you were able to add 30 to your score in that round, taking you up to 215 points. Still keeping things close here after the Katie Quiz Speed Round. Next up is our team from Central Catholic High School, still competing in the category of biology. And we are going to start your 60-second clock in 3, 2, 1. What eating disorder has 17 female victims for every male?
Anorexia.
What snail-like mollusk is called the ear shell?
Snail.
No. What do insects do through their spiracles?
Seed.
No. What class of vertebrate animals has members that undergo metamorphosis?
Bugs.
No. In humans, what nervous system controls all glands, the blood vessels, and the heart?
Artery.
No. A shallow dish used to grow microorganisms for research named for its inventor is called what?
A petri dish.
What do we call the thick-walled digestive organ of a bird used for grinding?
Stomach.
No. What gas do plants release during photosynthesis?
Oxygen.
Mitosis is an unusual form of reproduction because of the number of parents required. How many?
1.
Flat. Time is up. Great job in that round, Central Catholic. You were able to add 40 points to your score in that round. That takes you up to 120 points. And to be honest, this is still anybody's game because we have more points up for grabs. And we're going to jump right into the next round right now, which is Katie Quiz Math Time. In this round, we have 2 math-based questions for each team. We award 20 points for a correct answer. We deduct 20 points in this round for any incorrect answers. And up first will be Shady Side. Here is your first map time question. Given the vector shown, what is the magnitude?
7.
7 is correct. Now we want you to give the inverse of the matrix shown.
Okay, so we're going to go with 1, 0, 0, -3.
Actually, it's -1, 0, 0, and 1/3 was the answer for that one. You got one right, you got one wrong. That means your score stays the same, and right now you're still in the lead with 285 points on the board. Next up is our team from North Allegheny High School. In North Allegheny, here is your first math time question. Give us the value that makes this statement true.
8.
8 is correct. Very nicely done. In this next one, we want you to compute this.
Negative square root of -1 cubed.
The actual answer is 0, but that was a great try there. You too got one right and missed on one, and that keeps your score the same at 215 points. And next up, we have our team from Central Catholic High School. In Central Catholic, here is your first math time question. What is the instantaneous rate of change of this?
12.
12 is correct. And your second math time question, given the initial term and the recursive formula, convert to an explicit formula for this sequence.
28 minus 5n.
Very, very close. It was 33 minus 5n. So you too got one right, got one wrong, and the scores remain the same at 120 points. Up next, some huge points are up for grabs for all three teams in a round we call More or Less, and that's coming up next.
KD Quiz is brought to you by GBU Life, providing life insurance, annuities, and community support since 1892.